Hey everyone, welcome back to the Redcat University, and as you can see, the Camo X4 is on the workbench again. Today we're going to install the aluminum motor mount. It's a fairly simple install, however we do have a few tips that will make setting the pinion and spur gear mesh a little bit easier. Let's get to work. The first step is to remove the gear cover by unscrewing the 4 screws that secure to the chassis. With the screws out, remove the gear cover. Then hold the driveline in place with your hand, turn the buggy over, and unscrew the 2 screws that hold the motor plate to the chassis. Now you'll be able to lift the motor out and unscrew the factory motor plate from the motor. Once the screws are out, remove the motor plate and slide the new aluminum plate onto the motor, followed by reinstalling the motor screws in the original locations. Just snug the motor screws for now, do not over tighten them. Place the motor back into the chassis, hold everything down with your hand, and reinstall the screws in the chassis to secure the motor. And now it's time to set the gear mesh. Using your finger, hold down the spur gear and move the motor into position. Check for proper gear lash, and when you've found the correct location, slide your Allen driver through the slot in the back of the chassis and tighten down the top motor screw. Recheck your gear lash again, and if you're satisfied, remove the motor and then tighten the lower screw and reinstall it, following the same steps we just used. Check the gear lash one more time and then reinstall the motor cover. Snug down all 4 screws. Our new motor plate is in place and the buggy is ready to go. Part numbers for the items used today are listed in the description below. While you're there, please hit the subscribe button and we'll see you back here soon for another Redcat Racing how-to.